Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about health and wellness. Health means not just having no diseases, but strong, active and energy. Wellness means taking care of body and mind every day. Food is our fuel. If we eat good food, our body energetic. Milk, fruits, vegetables, greens, nuts. There are energy and vitamins your body. Energetic and vitamins good food are your body. Milk, vegetables, fruits, nuts, greens, vitamins and energy your body. Good food are good health. Junk foods are chips, cool drinks, many chocolates, weak your body. Exercise makes your body active and brain sharp. Every day 30 minutes exercise, stretches, fresh your mind. Being healthy also happy mind, think positive, happy smile and breathing exercise, small stretches, inhale or exhale. Meditation or being breathe exercise, inhale or exhale, feel good inside. Daily, every day 5 minutes breathing exercise, so good. One healthy habit you will starting today, 100 ml early morning hot water, fruits, multiple vegetables. Good food or good exercise, totally good health. Stay healthy, stay strong. Thank you. Thank you for watching.